Understanding tight slot in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, tight slot. This is a term you might encounter in different contexts, and it's great to know what it means so you can use it correctly in your conversations. The phrase, tight slot, can refer to a few different scenarios. Generally, it means a space or opportunity that is very limited or restricted. It can be used literally, like talking about a narrow parking space, or figuratively, like a limited time slot in a busy schedule. In a literal sense, a tight slot might be a narrow opening where something needs to fit. For example, if you're trying to park in a small space between two cars, you're dealing with a tight slot. It implies a need for precision and care. Figuratively, a tight slot can refer to a situation where there's little room for error or flexibility. If you have back-to-back meetings with just enough time to switch between them, you're operating within a tight slot in your schedule. Let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. I can't believe you managed to squeeze your car into that tight slot. We have a tight slot for our project presentation, so we need to be concise. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, tight slot, and how you can use it both literally and figuratively. Remember, mastering such phrases will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.